Are you overwhelmed by manual checklists and complex workflows? You're not alone. Many property managers struggle to keep their operations running smoothly. Enter Process Street, your ultimate solution for simplifying property management. Our platform provides complete visibility into daily tasks, preventing costly mistakes and ensuring compliance. With Process Street, you gain 3 key benefits. First, streamline your processes and automate repetitive tasks. Second, enhance tenant satisfaction with reliable onboarding and maintenance. Third, integrate seamlessly with your existing tools for maximum efficiency. What sets us apart? Our strong focus on data protection and compliance. You can trust that your information is secure with our ISO 27001 and GDPR compliance. Ready to transform your property management experience? Get started with Process Street today. Click the link below to streamline your workflows and enhance your tenants' experience.